Hi guys, nandito ako ngayon sa property ng aking mother-in-law para manguha ng mga puffball mushrooms. Dito namin nakita yung napakaraming puffball mushrooms kaya bumalik kami dito para kunin na sila. Actually, tignan nyo, may nakuha na ako dito. So yun lang yung bahay ng aking mother-in-law. Parang asul dyan, Yan. Tapos dito sa trail na to namin nakita yung mga puffball mushrooms. Ito may mga maliliit pa naapakan yata namin to or ni Blue. Kukunin ko na lang to. Sayang. Ayan. Ito ang ganda Iwan ko lang muna yung mga maliliit. Baka lalaki pang mga to. Ayan, kunin ko lang yung mga nabali. Ito, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda. Ang sarap pala ng mushroom na to. Tayo dito para makita nyo. Hihiwain ko lang siya. Ayaw ko siyang bunutin. Kasi gusto kong tumubo pa ito sila ulit next year. Ayan itsura ng gem-studded na puffball mushroom. So, separate ko itong isa para makita nyo kung ano yung itsura niya sa loob. So, pag hiniwa nyo siya, solid siya Wala siyang parang gills. Solid lang siya. At parang marshmallow yung loob niya. Firm. Yun, ang dami nila. Kukunin ko muna to. Okay. Uy, ang ganda Okay. Yan. Punta ako doon kasi doon namin nakita yung napakarami na mushroom. Ito marami ding puti dito. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong klase ng mushroom yan. Punta tayo dito. Dito namin nakita yung napakaraming mushrooms. Ayan tingnan nyo. Ang dami nila. Ayan. Ayan pa. Ayan pa. Ayan. Ayan pa ang dami. Meron pa dun sa may kagubatan. Uy, ayun din Ang dami. Mga maliliit pa yung iba. Papakita ko sa inyo na pag mature na yung puffball mushroom, nagpa-pop siya ng kanyang spores. Yan yung way nila para magparami. Yan. Pag ganitong stage na, hindi na siya pwedeng kainin. Tingnan nyo to. Tingnan natin kung maganda pa to. Pag puro puti pa yung loob niya, pwede pa siyang kainin. Let's see. Kuha lang muna ako ng isa. Siguraduhin ko muna na okay pa yung loob. Let's see ito. Puro puti pa. Pwede pa to. Kaya, kukunin ko na ang mga ito. Nakakatuwa. Dami. Hindi ko pala binubunot. Pag binunot ko naman yan, hindi ko naman makakain yung pinakapuno niya kasi puro na siya ganyan puro dumi, putik, lupa. Whatever you call it. Yan ang ganda. Ito medyo nabunot ko konti, kaya yan, no sense din na bunutin kasi ito hindi naman makakain. Matigas na yung puno niya, tsaka naka-attach yun yung dumi. Ayan, so yan yung itsura ng pinagkuhanan ko. Tapos tingnan nyo, ang dami pa. Let's see, check natin kung okay pa to. Okay pa to. Panigurado. Let's see. Yan. Actually, matagal ko nang gustong manguha ng puffball mushroom. Kasi I read na lahat ng puffball mushroom ay edible. Pero kahapon lang talaga ako nagkatay na mag-research deeper para ma-confirm na puffball mushroom na ito. At na-confirm ko nga na puffball mushroom ito. Niluto ko yung mga nakuha ko na konti lang kahapon. At nagustuhan namin mag-asawa. Ang sarap niya. So tumutubo pala ito sila na kumpul-kumpul. At sometimes tag-isa-isa lang din. Dito na yung asawa ko. You wanna help me?
can just smell the mushrooms in here.
I know.
When we go up the hill and search, there's a little bit more past that.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna go up.
Okay. Alright, andito na yung asawa ko. Sabi niya, pupunta siya dun sa taas para mag-check pa.
How you want me to mark them? There's a whole bunch of them.
Yeah, I'm gonna go where we found the... is this the place that we found yesterday that has a lot?
There's a whole bunch right
Or
there.
that was the other side? So, yung mga ito ay hindi na pwede kasi naninilaw na. Ito, i-check natin. Dito ako mag-check kung okay pa. Oh, yan, hindi na pwede. O, tingnan nyo. Yan, yung itsura niya parang tae. Parang ita. So, hindi na yan pwede. Most likely, ganun din ito. Kasi, oh, tingnan nyo, malambot na siya. Okay. Bumalik ako dito banda. Pero, aakyat ako doon sa taas, oh. Ayan. Kasi sabi ng asawa ko, marami daw dito na. Oh, ayan, oh, ang dami nga yan, oh. Pero yan, hindi na pwede. Hala, ang dami pala nila dito. Oh my gosh. Oh, yan, oh. Pero I hope next year bumalik sila. Yes, so, tingnan natin. Ayan, malambot na, hindi na pwede. Oh, ayun. Ay, nakita ko. Oh, ay, dito din, oh. Oh my word. Tingnan natin, oh. Parang hindi na to pwede. Malambot na rin. Ay, hindi na pwede. Huli na tayo. Ewan ko kung yun. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. And there's more.
Some of them are too far gone already?
Yeah, some of them are too far gone. Let's see. Look at that! It's pretty! Oh, tignan nyo, ang ganda. Oh, ang laki! Let's see. You see, they're still good. They feel like they're still good. Ang dami mga damo-damo. Let's see. Gawa tayo ng isa. Oh, ito naputol. Oh, ganda pa, oh. Wow. Okay pa to. Yan. Alright. So, iwan ko na lang yung mga to kasi ano na, hindi na sila maganda. Tapos, iwan ko na ganyan lang. Hindi ko bubunutin para magpadami pa sila. My goodness. Yay!
Did you shoot a bird?
Oh my goodness. And look at that too.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
right here.
I thought you shot a grouse.
Ang dami na nga nakuha ko. And then there's more. It's really hard to tell without opening it.
I know.
Let's see.
Yeah, I know.
Let's see. Yo, yeah, it's still good.
Jared, she only got me a half a mushroom.
Right, here's the owner of this land. Yung mother-in-law ko, nakukuha din siya ng mga mushrooms. Look. It's just like picking fruits. Oh, may basket din siya. Oh. Blue, are you picking some mushrooms? Oh, that looks so good. I know. Oh, yum. Ang dami ko nang nakuha. Tapos sabi ng asawa ko, marami pa siya nakita dun sa kabila. Hindi pa ako tapos dito. Oh, goodness. Ngayon lang kasi kami dito nakapunta around this time. So siguro matagal na ito sila dito tumutubo. Ang dami pa dito sa taas. Oh! Oh my gosh, meron pa dito sa taas. There's a lot! At ang dami pang mga maliliit na tumutubo pa lang. And look at here! Wow! Ang dami talaga nila. Pupunuin ko lang yung aking basket at hindi na ako mag-harvest ngayong hapon.
30% off.
Kasi madami na to. Mahirap nang i-process pag sobrang dami. Alright. Grabe, puno yung basket ko. Ang ganda. Alright, labas na tayo sa kakahuyan. Oh my goodness. Ooh. You said your basket is full.
No.
Oh.
He did, yeah.
Oh.
Silly. Huh? It wasn't recording? What?
You look beautiful.
What happened?
Nothing.
It wasn't recording. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. So this is jam studded puffball mushroom. Finally, makakakain ako nito.
I like to call them marshmallows.
Yeah, they look like marshmallows. And they feel like marshmallows. Look at those little ones.
Babies.
They're babies. Should I just leave these babies? Huh? What do you think?
I don't know if we're coming back.
You don't think we're coming back?
The nights are getting longer.
Yeah, that's right. So should I cut some of those in there? Okay. Put the video in there. I'm gonna go in the woods.
Okay.
Get the little
Oh!
What is wrong with you?
8 o'clock.
Ito na yung naani ko ngayong gabi. Tingnan nyo, ang dami. Ayan. Madami pang natira dito. Let's see if may time pa akong bumalik dito at manguha. But for now, ito lang yung kukunin ko para ma-dehydrate. Pang isang batch. Sobrang isang batch na nga to kasi hihiwain pa to eh. Ayan. Okay, can you pick that up? Where's my tripod? Oh, you got it?
Otter, otter.
Ayan. Buti may assistant ako tonight. Ayan, uwi na kami. Ang dami. Where did you go earlier?
I went all the way down the pipeline, all the way up over the field.
Was there more on that side?
There's spots throughout the top that there was some.
And where else?
There was a whole bunch right up
Right
here.
there?
You can walk right back in there.
Back. Oh yeah, I see it. Let me see. I see them.
To the left there's more.
Did you pick some of?
Mom picked some.
Oh my God. Oh my word. That is crazy.
There's a lot that have already turned green. And
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Medyo huli na kami sa iba. Oh my goodness. Ang dami. Oh my goodness. What happened here? Gee.
a little more back there.
We probably just did not notice here before. And they were just growing here all along.
A bunch up here.
Oh my goodness.
Right there.
Nandito ang dami pa. Oh. Gee. Ayun. Oh my gosh. That's a big group. That one is done.
Too old.
Too old. It looks like there's already like forming hole. Oh, actually no. It seems firm. Oh yeah, it's firm. Still good. We'll see. If I have time tomorrow, I might come back here tomorrow. Oh my goodness, ang dami.
There's more popping up right there.
Oh, there's more babies. Oh, sinong gusto ng puffball mushrooms dyan? Gusto nyo matry? Oh, look! It's right here! Look! Oh, uwi na sana kami. Puting na nyo. I just want to show it to you guys, but I'm not getting it. We're gonna go home. Look! Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. It's growing on a dead spruce maybe. Oh, this is... Oh. This, yeah.
Down here, in there,
Right there.
up in there,
Oh,
all over
oh
in
my
there.
gosh, there's more. Gee. Okay. Yeah. That's crazy. Kinumbine ko lahat yung mga nakuha naming puffballs. Nilagay ko na lang siya dito sa isang basket. Ayun, oh. Ang ganda nila. Ang sarap nito. Excited na ako. I-dehydrate ko to yung karamihan sa kanila. Yan.